Guys, it's Dawn here, and today I'm going to go ahead and go over this pet ramp that I got for helping me load up my Sherman, well, any of my EUCs into my car. So before this, I've just been picking it up and throwing it into the passenger wheel well of my car, but it can ding up some things, and so then I took pieces of an exercise mat, cut it up 3 sides, and I was surrounding the EUC with that, and then that works great just to put a layer of foam between my wheel and the door and the seat and all that, just so I don't mess anything up. But I think the last time I did it, I kind of hurt my wrist. So I can lift my wheel, but it is a little bit of a hassle. It is a little hard, and it's not my back or my arms that are complaining, it's my wrist, because getting it into the passenger wheel well, it's not that you have to lift it, you also have to, extend it, go over, all that stuff. So I just went ahead and got this pet ramp. This is a PetSafe telescoping 72-inch extended 13-pound 39 inches when it's closed, 72 inches extended. And what I was looking for was something that was wide. I believe this is 17 inches wide. Yeah, 17 inches wide, 4 inches right here. So that was a big thing. A lot of the ramps, the pet ramps, right? They are like you fold it in half and it's quite thick, or you fold it 3 times and then it's like really thick. When you fold it 3 times, it is so big and bulky that basically takes up the space that a wheel could be taking up. So I wanted something that would not take up the space of another EUC. I wanted something long, so 72 inches. A lot of them are usually around 62 inches, which is fine, but the longer it is, the less steep it is. The shorter it is, the more steep. Let's see, what else? I wanted lightweight, and I wanted something wide, so I don't have to worry about it falling off the edges and stuff. This one does have a railing on, a little short railing on either side. Should it have a railing or not? That's personal preference. I really don't care. I mean, a railing could help it to not slide off. And I also wanted something that is multi-purpose. So I have had big dogs before, and when they get older, then they need help getting into the car and stuff like that. So having it be multi-purpose is good. I have my old motorcycle ramps, and I was trying to use those, but those are really big and bulky, and they don't fit into my SUV very well. They're much bigger, much bulkier, much heavier, much more unwieldy. So the pet ones are actually the pet ramps are actually really good options. Another good option are wheelchair ramps, and Walmart and Walgreens have different versions. They're 2 skinny little ramps with tall rails, and it's meant for 1 rail for each tire of a wheelchair to go up. So they're very, very skinny, they're very slim. They're lightweight. They usually only go up to 5 feet, 5 feet long, but they're usually telescoping, I believe. And the good thing about that, they're usually about $119 to $130, but you get 2 of them, so you can split it between you and another rider. So that is a good option. Another important thing to think about is with the Sherman and the Sherman Max, it doesn't matter if you lay it down on either side. It's about the same. But like with my RSHT, I believe the motherboard is on the left side, or no, the motherboard is on the right side. So when you can, if there's a choice, it's better to lay it on the left side, so it's not bouncing up against that. And then you can look into how you're going to park it inside. I'm just going to pile up a bunch of foam and a dog bed, which is a very thick egg crate memory foam thing, and just lay it kind of at an angle, and then put this. So the nice thing about this is it fits right in the tailgate section, and you'll see in my next little clip, I put the wheel in the back of the boot, and then I put this against the tailgate, so this is not taking up any space. So features about this: it is 13 pounds. It has a handle. It is aluminum and plastic. This part goes up against the car, and there are nice rubber feet there. Although I also place, I also just throw my exercise foam on there, just in case. There is also rubber feet over here, and then there's this little latch. This latch makes it so that it will not telescope. So when you're ready to use it, you just need to pop that off. And then it just telescopes out. I also like that there is absolutely no flex and bend to it when I'm using it. I have seen ramps that totally flex when the weight of the wheel is on it, and makes me not trust this. This is supposed to be able to handle 400 pounds. So as far as I can tell, it is very sturdy, very strong. The other thing is that it does have this sandpaper type, and I think that's meant for it to be non-slip surface, which is really nice because it gives a tire something to grip onto. But if you're going to use it for a dog, I don't know, it's not too coarse of a grit, but I don't like touching it either. And if I was to rub my skin up against it real fast, it will cut me. So, you could throw a towel over that as well. But it's super quick, super easy, super lightweight, doesn't take up a lot of space, real easy to just handle, and makes the whole traveling with the wheel a whole lot easier. So thanks for joining me after this. I'm going to go ahead and add the clip that I made of me actually using it. You'll see how quick and easy it is for me to extend it, to put it back, load up my Sherman Max into the boot of the car, and I can unload, reload in a minute, and I could go faster if I wanted to. It's just that easy. And there are, of course, other options as well. So it's just whatever you're looking for. Wheelchair ramps, pet ramps. And they're easy to find on Amazon, Walgreens, or Walmart. So there you go. Thanks for joining me today. Stay tuned for my clip from yesterday about using it. All right, bye guys.